So here's a little steam engine that I designed to use the 2200 Blue Nami, and it seems to be working very well. I'm very pleased with it. You may have noticed the little yellow engine in the image doesn't have any wheels or axles under it, and that's because that little engine is being built as I print it. I can build it a little faster than I can print it. But the next video you'll see probably be that little yellow engine. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment, send me an email, or give me a phone call, and I'll help you as best I can. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the hobby.